Hey guys, so I got this plant from the farmer's market. It was on sale, 50% off. So, you know, I'm adding to my collection, and I didn't really necessarily see anything wrong with this, except like there's some like broken pieces like this, and there's these bugs, these like stink, I think they're called stink bugs that are out here, and they're just like little annoying little things. So anyway, I didn't see anything wrong with it. I didn't see any like pest or anything like that, so just yellowing, which could be because of a lot of things. But overall, it looks like a pretty healthy plant, so when I decided to buy it, it was only $6. And my goal is to just make it happy and have it flourish. So I'm gonna repot it. I'm just gonna show you guys how I repot a plant, what I do when I inspect it, when I buy it from the store, what I'm looking for, like is it healthy, and yeah. So some of the soil fell out when I was in the car. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna rip this bag a little bit, and we are gonna open it up. Wow, look how nice. Wow, that's so pretty. So as we can see, it's like in really good shape. You know what I mean? So I pretty much lucked up. So only thing I really need to do is just, I'm gonna just gonna keep some of the soil, and then I'll just give it some new fresh soil and some fertilizer. But some of this soil can go. It just depends. It really just depends on like the state of the plant, like if you would take off roots or not. But like we want all these roots because there are there's little babies that are coming in that you can't really see. You know, like this, like I'll just cut that off since it's hanging. But no, it's in great condition, so hey, $6. Alright, so we are going to mix some soil together. And because this is a tropical plant, it really likes, you know, cactus, succulent soil, orchid bark, stuff like that. Like even the soil that it's in already, it's pretty like airy, and it's already got some fertilizer in it. But yeah, there's a lot of bark in here, so I'm gonna definitely keep as much as this that I have and keep whatever's right here in the base, but I'll put some fresh soil around it and some fertilizer and just set them up. You know, we want to set them up for success. So let's get into it. Oh my God, look, this is so exciting. So I got a little bit of soil like this left, which is pretty much bark, tropical mix, cactus soil. There's even these little cocoa things in there. So I'm going to use this in combination of what else that he had left here and just mix it and give him fresh soil, water him, put him back. You know what? I changed my mind. Okay, so I changed my mind. Just because, like, when I was doing this, like, I feel like he wants some space. The only thing about is giving these plants space is that sometimes the space is too much and they just are not happy. But I think I'm going to take the risk and give him more space. Because I could just like put him in here without the pot, but my whole thing is like I want to give him like a pebble tray at the bottom. So I'm thinking about I could put him in here, but this would be like triple. You know, this is like triple the size. So like I said, this could go perfectly wrong or it could go bad. I think we're gonna do it. I think I'll risk it. I'll risk it. I think I have enough soil. So we're gonna put them in here instead. Oh. Okay. Yeah, because like all those roots are just sticking out. Like you see them just sticking out. All right, we gotta get some more. Oops. Okay guys, I just realized that this soil is infested. So we're gonna pour that back in here. And we're gonna start over with this. You see these little ants? And you know, we love ants, you know what I mean? But like, not right now. We don't want them right now. Sorry, baby girl. So annoying. These freaking ants, I can't. All right. Let's try this again. And then it's so hot, the phone is like, I feel bad because that soil at the bottom was like good soil. Here's my little lucky rock. It was good soil, but nah, that's fine. All right, let's make a little mix. We've got the cactus, we've got the orchid bark, and we've got the tropical foliage. So we're gonna mix all three of these together, put in there, and I might even put a little bit of sand.
Alright guys, we're on my phone now. Just wanted to show you guys me mixing this up. I'm gonna pour a little bit of this cactus stuff. Just a little bit like that. Go away, ants. I can't with you. I'm gonna do a little bit of sand. Alright, awesome. Now I'm gonna kind of fill in the gonna push it up a little bit. And then we're gonna stick homegirl in there. So as you can see, I kind of want her deeper in. See, look at all the ants are coming out. I want her deeper in. I guess this is good. This is good. Nah, a little bit deeper because I'm not filling the soil all the way up to this top here. So we need to make it a little deeper. So we're just gonna move some soil over here. Try not to lose any. Put it on the cloth there. We just went rogue, guys. It's so funny. Okay, I think this is good. Alright, let's try it. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so we just need some more. Use the rest of this. Should use some sand, actually. Alright. Yeah, that's deep enough for me. So we just need to fill in the sides. Make sure we cover up all the roots. On this side of what's going on. Okay. This. Oh, the perlite. Wow, that would have been a nice addition. That's nice. What are we gonna do? Tara. All right.
But it's hot outside, so my camera wasn't able to handle the heat, so I had to record the rest on my phone. But we got her in, and we got her in. As y'all know, I ended up switching it up. I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest with you, because like I said, sometimes plants don't want space. Sometimes they just want to be compacted and they want to be all close to each other and stuff like that. So hopefully I didn't like mess up and do this. Okay, because I put her in this bigger pot situation than what she came from before, I'm not gonna water her right now because the thing is, it's like, it's all this adjusting. The thing is, if I water her now and this soil ends up being like not a good mix, then she's gonna be soaky and wet and have root rot and stuff like that, and I don't got time for that. So I'm just gonna let her get acclimated in the new soil, in her new pot. These ants were coming for her, so I just kind of sprayed her with some neem oil, and I'm just kind of wiping it now. But yeah, so I will leave her in here for a while. I probably won't water her until maybe a few days, honestly. Sorry if I broke you. It sounded like you crunched. I'm sorry. Sorry again. Probably for a few days. I'm just gonna let the soil just kind of figure out what she wants to do, and then I'll give her some water. And I'm gonna leave her inside, probably somewhere cool, not with too much light. I'll probably put her in the corner somewhere. All right, so this is the update after repotting her. We are gonna keep our eyes on her and see how she does. Because if she gets better, if she starts growing and things start getting better with her, I'm gonna feel so victorious, I guess. I'm gonna feel very good. So let's keep our eye on her, see how she does. My $6 Chinese Evergreen, and just hope for the best. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Sorry about the whole camera switch up stuff. Once I get my patio really situated where I can have a little section for the plants and the soil and the orchestrating, then it'll go by much smoother. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys like this kind of content. I really like plants. I'll probably do a video and show you guys all the plants I do have. If you don't already follow me, I know I was posting a lot of stuff on TikTok about me being a cactus mom and stuff like that. So I also do like tropical foliages as well. They're a little more difficult, of course, because cactuses just need water and sun and space. But I'm really digging my tropical plants right now. So I'm happy to have her in the next edition. Ooh. And it's gonna go well. You're gonna do good, okay? I'm gonna speak good energy into you. It's gonna be okay. I know those ants are being really annoying, but they're ants, you know, they're working all the time. But no, we're gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Thank you guys for watching. Have a peachy day, and keep it juicy and keep it peachy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.